Our setup times for machines really started to trend down once we went live, and as a job shop, we can have hundreds of setups per week, and saving even a few minutes on each one really has a big impact on the shop overall.
Our setup times have definitely decreased. Tooling requirements, special requirements, inspection requirements, all of that is figured in advance.
Using photos of setups, written descriptions, part check info, and sequence details, we've been able to preload as much as we can of the job before it makes its way to the machine.
The machinists have all the information on hand. They really don't have to go ask anybody for anything. The drawings are there, any special documents all live within the system.
Once you go into the job, there's no chance of making a mistake. Everything is all on one page. That's what's really nice about it.
Having everything on the computers and being able to pull it up and not have to look at a greasy, coolant spilled piece of paper has definitely helped reduce our setup time.
So as far as setup reduction, because everything is stored digitally and you're not relying on archived paper data, we've seen a reduction, I would estimate probably 50% on our setup times.
Using the tools in ProShop, we've been able to reduce our setup times by over 50%.
Our setup time has probably been cut in half with ProShop.